Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make pasta beef. First, let's get started by browning your ground beef. Heat 1 tablespoon of olive oil in a large skillet over medium-high heat. Add 1 pound of ground beef, breaking it apart with a spoon. Cook until it's fully browned, about 5 to 7 minutes, then drain any excess fat. This step is crucial for a flavorful base. Now that your beef is browned, it's time to build that delicious sauce. Add 1 diced onion and 2 cloves of minced garlic to the pan, cooking until softened, about 3 minutes. Stir in 1 28-ounce can of crushed tomatoes and 1 cup of beef broth. Season with 1 teaspoon of dried oregano and 1/2 teaspoon of dried basil, bringing it to a gentle simmer. While your sauce simmers, let's get the pasta ready. Bring a large pot of salted water to a rolling boil. Add 12 ounces of your favorite pasta like penne or spaghetti and cook according to the package directions. You want it to be al dente, which means it's firm to the bite, usually around 8 to 10 minutes. Drain it well, reserving about 1/4 cup of pasta water. Finally, it's time to bring everything together for a truly satisfying meal. Add the cooked pasta directly to your rich beef sauce, tossing gently to coat every strand. If the sauce seems too thick, stir in about 1/4 cup of the reserved pasta water to achieve a perfect consistency. Serve immediately, garnished with fresh parsley and a generous sprinkle of grated Parmesan cheese. Enjoy your homemade pasta beef.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.